What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. I am Perry, and let's get into it. All right, I got a quick question. It's the month of February. You guys celebrating Love Day. If you guys been watching the videos, you see that I dropped the remastered course. It's not going live until the 17th, but I wanted to know what you guys are doing in the meantime. How are you guys maintaining? How are you guys doing with contracting, meeting contractors? I've been having some great calls. I know that the information is getting out there, and those of you that are taking advantage of the information are incredibly successful, and that makes me happy. I'm pleased with that. But I'm just wondering, so you guys tap in, let me know how you're maintaining down in the comment box, please. In the comment box. Not in my email. Not in my email. Stop emailing me your phone numbers. You're going to have to book a consult or buy the bundle to talk to me. That's the only way. Stop emailing me your phone numbers. It's not working anymore. I've taken on too many free calls, to be honest, and I can't find the time and space in my day anymore. So jump down in the comments. Let me know where you guys are located, how you're doing finding contractors, and what problems you're having so I can come and address those. In the meantime, I'm going to be working on putting out more Davis Bacon content because you guys are having a problem with that, and I want to help you guys with that. So tap in below, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get going, man. Get active. Peace.